Hello everyone. On the occasion of 75th anniversary of India's Independence Day, we are going to perform Tricolour experiment in our laboratory. I am Shreya Ajay, a student of 1st B Pharm 2nd semester at Srinivas College of Pharmacy, Mangalore. I have with me Anirudh and Divish, also a student from B Pharm 2nd semester. We are going to show you three different chemical experiments in our laboratory, which both Anirudh and Divyashri will explain to you and do the experiment.
The first experiment that we are going to perform is the liquid experiment. In this experiment, we are using three different liquids having three different densities. So first we are taking the test tube and adding glycerine at the bottom of the test tube. The reason why we are adding glycerine at the bottom of the test tube is because glycerine is heavier compared to the other two liquids. So I am adding glycerine at the bottom of the test tube. To the glycerine, I am adding chromium sulfate. To the glycerine, I am adding chromium sulfate. The chromium sulfate is prepared by potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid by mixing it with methanol. I am giving a little shake so that the green color spreads all over the glycerine.
Now I am going to make barium sulfate precipitate. For this I am going to mix barium chloride solution with dilute sulfuric acid. I am taking barium chloride solution in this test tube. Now I am adding dilute sulfuric acid to this. And this will form white precipitate. And I am going to add this white precipitate to this green glycerin layer.
So above the precipitate, I am going to add potassium chromate mixed with methanol. The reason why I am adding methanol above this white precipitate is because methanol is having lower density as compared to the other two liquids. So I am going to add it slowly.
Now I am going to stick this Ashoka chakra in this middle, and this will form our Indian flag.
Now we are going to perform the flame experiment. For this experiment, we require 3 china dishes and 3 chemicals. The chemicals that we are going to use are calcium chloride, aluminum hydroxide, and borax. Now I am going to place the 3 china dishes. And I am placing calcium chloride, aluminum hydroxide, and borax. Now I am going to add each chemical to the china dish. So this is calcium chloride. This is aluminum hydroxide. And this is borax.
using glass rod.
So now I'm going to light each of the china dishes. So the color that we can see represents the tricolor. The reason why it produces the color is because electron present at the outermost orbital jumps to the higher orbital, and when it comes back to its outermost orbital, it's gonna emit color. So that is what is happening to the three china dishes. Now we're going to take other china dish and we're going to add copper sulfate to it.
Now I am going to add methanol to this and mix it a little bit.
Now I'm going to light the china dish. Now we can see the tricolor that is forming when I'm stirring it a little bit. At the bottom we can see it is green color, at the top we can see the saffron color flame, and between it is showing the whitish flame. So that is the tricolor that we can see. Now we are going to perform the elephant toothpaste experiment. For this experiment, we are using 20 ml of 30% hydrogen peroxide, and we are adding a liquid soap. So I am taking 20 ml of 30% hydrogen peroxide. To this, I am going to add liquid soap, a few amount of liquid soap. And now I'm going to shake it.
And now I will add food coloring to the inner bar. Here I will add orange color. And here I will add green color.
And now I'm going to add 5 ml of saturated potassium iodide. And now I'm going to place inside the conical flask. Now the foam that we can see is the tricolor. If you observe clearly, we can see the saffron color coming from here, and the green color coming from the back side, and the white color from the middle. So this represents the tricolor.